Hi everyone. I'm Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. You might have heard a lot about AI in recent years, but what does it really mean, and why should you care? Let's break it down in simple terms. First things. Do you know? What exactly is artificial intelligence? AI is the science of creating machines or software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, recognizing images, and making decisions. Now, let's talk about some key components of AI. Machine learning. This is when machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. For instance, a recommendation system learns your preferences based on your past behavior. Natural language processing, NLP. This helps machines understand and interpret human language. Think of chatbots that can hold conversations or virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. Computer vision. This allows machines to interpret visual data. It's what enables self-driving cars to understand their surroundings. These components work together to make AI powerful and versatile. Now that we know what AI is, let's look at the types of AI. Narrow AI, or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task. Most of the AI we interact with daily falls under this category, like recommendation systems on Netflix or voice assistants. General AI, or strong AI. This is the theoretical concept where AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. We are not there yet, but researchers are actively exploring this area. Super AI. This is a hypothetical scenario where AI surpasses human intelligence in all areas. It's a topic of much debate and speculation in the AI community. AI has numerous applications across various fields. Here are a few key areas. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by helping in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and personalizing treatment plans. Imagine AI systems that can detect early signs of diseases like cancer from scans. Finance. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, automating customer service, and assessing risks. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to help banks make informed decisions. Education. AI-powered platforms personalize learning experiences for students. They can adapt content based on a student's pace and understanding, making education more effective. These are just a few examples of how AI is shaping our world. While AI offers many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Bias. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they're trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. It's crucial to ensure that AI is trained on diverse and representative data. Job displacement. As AI automates tasks, there are concerns about job loss in certain sectors. However, it also creates new opportunities in AI development and maintenance. Data privacy. AI relies on large amounts of data, which raises questions about privacy and security. We must ensure that personal data is handled responsibly. So, to wrap it up, AI is a transformative technology that's reshaping industries and our daily lives. We've learned about what AI is, the different types, its applications in various fields, and the ethical considerations we need to keep in mind. If you are interested in learning more about AI, I encourage you to explore online from our website www.pranabkishore.com. The world of AI is full of opportunities, and there's never been a better time to start learning. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on technology and digital marketing. See you in the next video.